Bitcoin gold value equivalent to $33.1899 a coin. The present exchange cost range $33.14, $35, $2465. The earlier day close $34.99262. The change was 0.9363, 268%. Converse rate ICE to BTG. Dollar to Bitcoin gold gauge for August 2024. In the first place, cost at 0.31 coins. Exorbitant costs in 31, while low zone 25. The founder middle value of cost are 28. The ICE to BTG figure toward the month's end 0.26. Change for August 16, 1%. ICE to BTG expectation for September 2024. Initially cost at 0.26 coins. Excessive costs at 26, while lows are at 21. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.24. The ICE to BTG figure toward the month's end 0.23. Change for September 11.5%. Dollar to Bitcoin gold figure for October 2024. To start with, cost at 0.23 coins. Exorbitant costs 0.23, while lows 0.20. The founder middle value of cost 0.22. The ICE to BTG gauge toward the month's end 0.22. Change for October 4.3%. ICE to BTG expectation for November 2024. To start with, cost at 0.22 coins. Exorbitant costs 22, while lows are 17. The founder middle value of cost 0.20. The ICE to BTG conjecture toward the month's end 0.19. Change for November 13.6%. Dollar to Bitcoin gold conjecture for December 2024. At the outset, cost at 0.19 coins. Excessive costs 0.19, while lows 17. They arrived at the midpoint of costs 18. The ICE to BTG conjecture toward the month's end 0.18. Change for December 5.3%. ICE to BTG expectation for January 2025. First and foremost, cost at 0.18 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.18, while lows 15. The founder middle value of cost 0.17. The ICE to BTG estimate toward the month's end 0.16. Change for January 11, 1%. Dollar to Bitcoin gold estimate for February 2025. First and foremost, cost at 0.16 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.17, while lows 15. The founder middle value of cost 0.16. The ICE to BTG figure toward the month's end 0.16. Change for February's 1%. ICE to BTG expectation for WARC 2025. Before all else, cost at 0.16 coins. Excessive costs 0.16, while lows 14. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.15. The ICE to BTG figure toward the month's end 0.15. Change for spring 6.3%. Dollar to Bitcoin gold figure for April 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.15 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.15, while lows 12. The founder middle value of cost 14. The ICE to BTG gauge toward the month's end 0.13. Change for April 13.3%. ICE to BTG expectation for May 2025. Before all else, cost at 0.13 coins. Excessive costs 13, while lows 11. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.12. The ICE to BTG conjecture toward the month's end 0.11. Change for May 15.4%. Dollar to Bitcoin gold conjecture for June 2025. At the outset, cost at 0.11 coins. Excessive costs 0.12, while lows are at 10. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.11. The ICE to BTG conjecture toward the month's end 0.11. Change for June 0%. ICE to BTG expectation for July 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.11 coins. Exorbitant cost 12, while lows 10. The founder middle value of cost 11. The ICE to BTG gauge toward the month's end 0.11. Change for July 0%. Dollar to Bitcoin gold gauge for August 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.11 coins. Excessive costs 11, while lows are 10. They arrived at the midpoint of costs 11. The ICE to BTG figure toward the month's end 0.10. Change for August 9, 1%. ICE to BTG expectation for September 2025. Initially cost at 0.10 coins. Excessive costs 0.11, while lows are 10. They arrived at the midpoint of costs 10. The ICE to BTG figure toward the month's end 0.10. Change for September 0%. Dollar to Bitcoin gold figure for October 2025. To start with, cost at 0.10 coins. Exorbitant costs 0.10, while lows and delayed. They found the middle value of costs for 9. The S to BTG gauge toward the month's end 9, change for October 10%. Us to BTG expectation for November 2025. To start with cost at 0.9 coins. Exorbitant costs in 11, while lows in 9. They found the middle value of cost 0.10. The US to BTG gauge toward the month's end 0.11, change for November 2% Dollar to Bitcoin gold conjecture for December 2025. At the outset cost at 0.11 coins. Excessive costs 13, while lows on 11. They arrived at the midpoint of costs 0.12. The US to BTG conjecture toward the month's end 0.12, change for December 1%. US to BTG expectation for January 2026. At the outset cost at 0.12 coins. Exorbitant costs 15, while lows 0.12. They found the middle value of cost 0.13. The US to BTG estimate toward the month's end 0.14, change for January 7%. Dollar to Bitcoin gold estimate for February 2026. First and foremost cost at 0.14 coins. Exorbitant costs 0.17, while lows end 14. They found the middle value of cost 0.15. The US to BTG estimate toward the month's end 0.16, change for February 3%. US to BTG expectation for walk 2026. Before all else cost at 0.16 coins. Excessive costs 20, while lows on 16. They arrived at the midpoint of cost on 18. The US to BTG conjecture toward the month's end 0.19, change for spring 8%. Dollar to Bitcoin gold conjecture for April 2026. At the outset cost at 0.19 coins. Excessive costs 0.19, while lows are in 15. They arrived at the midpoint of costs 0.17. The US to BTG conjecture toward the month's end 0.16, change for April 8%. US to BTG expectation for May 2026. At the outset cost at 0.16 coins. Excessive costs 21, while lows in 16. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on 18. The US to BTG conjecture toward the month's end 0.19, change for May 8%. Dollar to Bitcoin gold gauge for June 2026. In the first place cost at 0.19 coins. Exorbitant costs 25, while lows are on 19. They found the middle value of cost 0.22. The US to BTG gauge toward the month's end zone 23, change for June 1%. US to BTG expectation for July 2026. Before all else cost at 0.23 coins. Excessive costs from 29, while lows are in 23. They arrived at the midpoint of costs 0.26. The US to